Good morning. This is Robin from Roamingwithrover. And guess what we got? We have our Krystal Bag a Day mystery box. I know. Everybody got theirs months ago, but mine was sent to the house, so I didn't get to open it until right now. Let's see what we got. You know they're always wonderful. When she put up that she had mystery boxes, and I jumped over there was one left. So I got the very, very last one. Ugh. Let's get into this thing. I don't want to cut anything. I'm trying to be very, very careful. And it is packaged up good. It was so hard to watch everybody else do all their unboxings when I knew mine was sitting here and I couldn't get to it. Oh, goodness. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, 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 oh my gosh. Look at this. It was definitely worth the wait. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Wow. Wow. This is absolutely amazing. And I haven't even gotten into it yet, but I can see, I'm just gonna grab this. There's a tag sticking out on top. This is from West Yorkshire Spinners. Oh, you can't see that. West Yorkshire Spinners, 100% Falkland Island wool. Oh my gosh. This is called Bo Peep Pure Mist. It's sort of a silvery gray. Wow. Wow. I'll tell you what. 100% Falkland Island wool is natural, sustainable, beautifully soft, and perfect for loving handcrafted garments and accessories. Pure luxury. 122 yards. Of course, it's going to be hand wash. Reshape while damp. Right here. Just this was worth the price of this box. Unbelievable. Okay, let's see what other kind of yummy goodness we have. Two of these. It's the same. Unique yarns. It's called, even the label is made from recycled, de-inked waste paper. Acid-free, eco-friendly. Baby alpaca ginger. 60% alpaca, 25% merino, something nylon. Must be the rest nylon, 25% nylon. And it's 50 grams, maybe 100 meters. I think that's what that says. I can't read it, but anyway. So we've got 100 grams of this. And this is, it's a little bit of a roving, I think. Kind of looks like it goes in and out. Probably a 4 though. This is thinner. This is probably a 2. Oh, I can't believe that. There's another one. There's 2 of them. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here's 2 cute little balls. Rowan Cashmere Tweed. 25 grams. Oh my gosh. 80% wool, 20% cashmere. Made in Italy. Oh my gosh. 96 yards. So just shy of 100 yards. It's a really beautiful deep purple with the tweedy in there. Isn't that beautiful? And there's 2 of them. Oh my gosh, there's 2 of them. Cashmere. Joe wants to see what's going on. Do you want to see what's going on? Oh, here's some more Rowan. Oh, wow. This is fuzzy furry. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. It's a deep, deep green. Brushed fleece. made with extra fine merino wool and baby alpaca, 50 grams, 65% wool, 30% alpaca, 5% polyamide, made in Romania. And it is 115 yards. Whoops, the little thingy came out. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? You just want to pet it. Oh, that's nice. Boy, if you can't do wool, this is not a good box for you. But luckily for me, that's not an issue. I think you can tell her no wool, but like I said, what I have found with her mystery boxes is if you dink around too long and start putting notes in there, you're gonna lose out. That happened to me the first time. And then the next time mystery boxes came up, I just said, give me one. And whatever you get, you get. Okay, we've got 3 of these. Get them twisted around here. 3 of these. And this is called, oh, it's Cascade Yarns. Another really good brand. Cascade Yarns Spontaneous Worsted Effects. 100% extra fine merino wool. So pretty. And it is 100 grams, 208 yards. We got 600 yards here. 600 yards of loveliness. And hand wash cold, of course, lay flat to dry. Cascade Yarns is made out of Seattle. I think I knew that, but I wasn't 100% sure. So just down the road from me. Pretty, pretty. Ooh, we're going over there in a few weeks. Maybe I need to find that place. Oh, 2 more. 2 more of that cashmere. Now I've got 400 yards. Should be enough for a scarf, don't you think? Or a cowl. A beautiful cowl. A beautiful cashmere cowl. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I've never had cashmere before. Ooh, this is soft. Ooh, this is very soft. Wow. It is 100 grams, 164 yards. Means woman. The name means woman in the native language of the Incas. Oh, that's so soft. Of course, hand wash. It looks like Warmy. Warmy is the name for woman. That's cool. So 70% baby alpaca, 30% merino wool, made in Peru. It's funny, these things, none of them have a weight, a yarn weight. I'm gonna guess this is a 3. It's definitely not a 4. But I'm not sure. I have that little, I don't know where it is right now. I bought one of those little things where you can wrap around it and test to see what size your yarn is, because a lot of this stuff doesn't have sizes. Okay. Hermes Worsted Antiquity. I really like this yarn. I have got it. In fact, this is one of the colors. Oh, I love this. Ooh, that is soft. I've gotten the Worsted 8, and this is much softer than the Worsted 8. This color is called Marmalade, and I'll bet you it's just shy of 500 yards, 489 yards. So it's 8 ounces, 4 weight. Oh, this is a 4 weight. So, yeah, this is definitely a 3. Now this, although this is a good solid 4 weight, but look at, I can't do it. I can't do it. Get it up here. There, look at the difference. So this is a nice heavy 4 weight though. Sometimes, you know, the 4 weights are a little skimpy. But I have bought this before. I love this yarn. It works up super, super well. And I purchased some in fall colors to make this really interesting blanket that I've got in my brain. So that's also very nice yarn. Ooh, this is soft. King Cole yarn. You guys, King Cole yarn. Wow, 150 grams, 90% acrylic, 10% alpaca. That is so soft. 585 yards. Oh, that's so soft. It's called Woodland. Boy, that's appropriately named. Look at those beautiful colors. Wow. This is nice, 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 nice. It says double knit, so I think that's the same as R3. I think that's a D, yeah, because that's a DK. Okay, so that's the same as R3. I think that's a solid 3. Oh my God, you guys. Oh, a Caron cotton cake. We love the cotton cakes. And those are my colors. That is exactly what I would have picked out. In fact, it's called Soft Summer Stripes Sea Lavender. I think I've got some of this. I think I bought some of this to make a little summer top out of. Love the Caron cotton cakes. Nice, nice, nice. It's never ending. I can't believe she got this much yarn in this time. I'm never getting all this back in this box. Premier Yarns, Premier Home Cotton. Grand. This is pretty. Look at the sparkles. It's soft, but it's not like super soft. For 4-weight, machine wash, tumble dry. Black silver is the color. That is so pretty. How many yards we got here? There's a lot of yarn here. It's a cotton. 490 yards, not 9.5 ounces. 83% cotton, 15% polyester, and 2% metallic. Isn't that beautiful? I don't know what I'm going to make out of this. 500 yards. I wonder if that's not enough to make a shawl, is it? Wouldn't that make a glorious shawl, though? Maybe one of those, the long towels where they kind of wrap it around and use it like an infinity scarf. Ooh, one of those shawls where it twists in the middle. That's what it's going to be. One of those shawls where it twists in the middle, almost like a shrug. That's what that's going to be. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, and Woolly's Thick and Quick. Oh, ho, ho. How many projects call for this? 174 yards. Look at that beautiful scarf she's got on. This is so pretty. Oh, look at those colors. Look at those colors. This is Toasted Almond. It's a little dark for what I would call toasted almond, but it's a beautiful color. This is a 6-weight, 174 yards. This is 10 ounces. And I hope this is enough to make, they're calling this a bonus bundle. I hope it's enough to make that little cowl. This would be beautiful for that. And I don't have any other. I'll tell you what, I see the Thick and Quick on sale and I always go, but this is really nice. It feels very, very good. And that's it. We finally got to the bottom of that. Can you believe all this lusciousness and the rowan and the cashmere? Oh, I am absolutely stunned. I am absolutely stunned. I can't believe that. First of all, I can't believe she got all of this into one box. It's just never ending. Oh, isn't that amazing? Krystal, you kicked it right out of the park. Wow. Wow. West Yorkshire. Yeah, it's hard to pick a favorite out of all of this. I'm inclined towards this one, but I also really, really love that cashmere. How can you go wrong with beautiful cashmere yarn? So that's it. That's the Krystal Bag-A-Day mystery box that we've been waiting months to open. Yeah, it was definitely well worth the wait. Definitely well worth the wait. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you another time. Bye-bye.